This is one of the series of golf ball cases central to our basic understanding of private property. The facts occurred in the Reddish Vale Golf Links, a private course near Manchester. The fact that it was a private club is important. This was not a public golf links where anyone was welcome to play. It was private land owned by the club. It seems from context that it had become an issue for the club that people were trespassing onto the club property in order to find lost balls. In fact, the club had gone to the extent of hiring a police officer to watch for trespassers stealing balls and to apprehend them. This is how Harold Hibbert came to be caught and charged with stealing 8 balls. He claimed that the balls were abandoned and were not the property of the club, but were the property of the players who had hit the balls, lost them, and abandoned them. The court disagreed. Justice Goddard said, "Every householder or occupier of land means or intends to exclude thieves and wrongdoers from the property occupied by him, and this confers on him a special property in goods found on his land sufficient to support an indictment if the goods are taken therefrom, not under a claim of right, but with a felonious intent." His Honour found that there was a felonious or criminal intent because Hibbert never had any intention of trying to find the true owner of the balls and claiming property rights if no owner came forward. He was taking the balls with the intention of immediately treating them as though they were his. Justice Humphreys said, "It is said that the golf balls were not the subject of larceny because the members of the club had no property in them." Why not? The balls were on their land. They were believed to be there in some numbers, though the time had not arrived for searching for and retrieving them. The intention of the members to exercise control over the balls was proved by the steps taken by them to prevent other persons from interfering with them. From this case we learn that for the owner of land to be in possession of chattels on their land, they must demonstrate an intention to exercise control over that property and to exclude others from exercising any such control.